So hello everyone. So today your session will be session 5, integers, exercise 4b. I hope you have done all your homeworks and assignments. So today we will be starting from question number 6. Okay. Today we will be starting from question number 6. So question number 6 is here. Number 1, 200 plus minus 55 plus minus 77 plus minus 68. Okay, here it is. So now first step, what we have to do, we have to just arrange it. When we arrange it, it will be 200. After that plus minus is minus 55. After that plus minus is minus 77. After that plus minus is minus 68. Okay, now this 3, here we can use the formula 3 here. Okay, the first formula can be used for first, and the third can be used for many terms. Okay, but the second can be used for only 2 terms. Just keep that in mind. So here we can use the third formula. All are in minus, so result we have to plus it and put the result in minus. So when we plus it, what will be the result? So this will be 2, and this is 12, 18, 200. So when we minus 200 from 200, result will be 0. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 6, this is the answer. First one. Then I will be doing question number, I will be doing this question number 2. 1393 plus minus 407 plus minus 872 plus 690. Okay, this is 1393. This one is minus 407. After that minus 872. After that plus 690. So here, first of all, what we will do, we will arrange the terms. Here it is plus, here it is plus, so we will bring the plus here. So 1393 plus 690 minus 407 minus 872. Okay, here we can use 1 here we can use 3. So if I plus it 9, then 6, sorry, this is 9, 1. So it will be plus 983. So this one will be 2. $2083. Okay, and here it will be minus 971,279. So now here if I minus it, it will be what? 4. Here it will be 0. Here it will be 8, and this is the answer. And the result will be in plus, because why? It is plus sign here. So bigger one is plus, so it is plus. So it is plus here. So after that, question number 3. Question number 3 is 703 plus minus 3. So plus minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 400 plus 0. Okay, so when we open the bracket, what will be there? 703 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 400 plus 0. We will not write 0. Why? Because 0 does not count. If we plus zeros with something, the result is same. So we will not consider this one. So after that, what we will do, we will arrange this all this together and this one together. So 703 plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 400. So it will be what? 703 704, then this one will be minus 404. So when we minus it, it will be 300. Here we are using 3, here we are using 1. Okay, so got this part? Now question number 3. Question number 3 we have done. Question number 4. I hope now question number 4 you can do it. I will be not doing question number 4. Okay, question number 4 you have to do it. Question number 7 now. Question number 7, I will be showing you the options here. Question number 1, just it's simple. Just you have to bring a plus sign here. So how can I bring a plus sign here? I can write this in this step. So now what I did, I brought a plus here. So how can I write this in statement form? Minus 8 added with 1. Okay, this is what question number 1. Now 2 will be 2 minus 7. Sorry, not 2 minus, sorry. So that's next questions. So here it is minus 8 minus 11. So I have to write bring a plus here from somewhere. So here where I can bring a plus is in this way. So what I can write is minus 11 added to minus 8. So this is the answer. You have to do it just this way. Okay, now the next step, next one is 3 is 4 minus 3. So now if I can bring a plus here, it will be something, many things will come here. So what I can do is I can open this bracket. So when I open this bracket, what will be the result here? 3, sorry, it became 0, I don't know why. Okay, it is 3 here. So after that, what I can write? 3 added to 4. Okay, this is simple. This is it. Now next are your homework, whatever left of question number 7. So we will be doing question number 8. Question number 8 is this 5 minus 9. So now what, this is plus here, this is minus here. So we will be using the second one. So plus minus is, we have to do minus. When we minus it, 9 minus 5 is 4. And the result will be what? The result will be in minus. Why? Because the bigger one has, this is the bigger one has minus sign. So this is the answer. Now 2 will be 2 minus 7. So here if we open the bracket, it will be 2 plus 7. So result will be what? The result will be 2 plus 7, it is 9. Okay, and the third one is 4, sorry, not 4. Third one is minus 11 minus 9. So here it is minus 11, this one will be plus 9. So now when we use the third one, minus plus is minus. So 11 minus 9 is 2, and the result will be in minus. And now the fourth one is 15 minus 25. So here 15, this will be plus 25, So result will be 40. Okay. Now this will be 40. Then the next two, I guess you can do it. Now I will be studying question number 9. Successor and predecessor. Successor means number plus 1 and predecessor means number minus 1. Just keep this in mind. So now when we do it, first of all, number 1 is 5. So the successor will be 5 plus 1, that is 6, and the predecessor will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Number 2 is minus 3. Successor will be minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, and predecessor will be minus 3 minus 1, that will be minus 4. So this is it. Just do it in this way. We will be getting the answers. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is also simple but easy only, like what we did in question number 8. Sorry, question number 8, what we did, it is same as question number 10. But just keep in mind, we have to subtract the second number from the first number. That means the second number, we have to subtract the first number from the second number. Okay, so that means we have to write the second number first and the first number in the back side. Okay, so 1 is 8 and minus 2. So just keep this in mind, we have to write minus 2 here and minus 8 here. So 2 are minus, we will be using the third one. 2 minus 8 is 10 plus 10 is 2 plus 8 is 10. So and the result will be in minus. So the next one, minus 15 minus 12. So here first of all we have to write 12 here. After that minus 15 minus 12 plus 15. So it will be 3. And the result will be in plus 3. Okay. Now 3 will be what? Question number 3, minus 93 and 307. So here first of all we have to write 307, then after minus 93. This minus is because of the subtraction, and this minus, it already has a minus. Okay, so it will be 307 plus 93. So result will be 004. Okay, now the fourth one, minus 267 and 0. So we have to write 0 first, then minus 267. After that 0 plus 267, it will be 267. So next, I guess you can do it now. Next I can do it. Next you can do it, I guess. This question number 5 and question number 6. Okay. Now question number 11. Now question number 11. 11 is minus 8 minus 15. Okay. Then minus 10. So what we have to do, we have to just open the brackets first. So minus 8 plus 15 minus 10. Okay. After that, what we will do, we will bring the same sign together. Minus 8 minus 10 plus 15. After that, what we will do the minus together, so it will be minus 18 plus 15. This is, we are using the third formula here. Now here we will be using the second formula. So first one is minus second one is in plus, so what you have to do, you have to minus it, minus 3, and the result will be in plus minus. Why minus? Because this is the bigger one, the bigger one has minus sign. So this is question number 1. Now 2, question number 2. Question number 2 is 6 minus 7 minus 23. So here 6 minus 7 plus 23. So now this one is in plus, so I will bring that plus in the front. So when I do it, 6 23, it will give 29 minus 7, so result will be 22. Okay, this is question number 1, this is question number 2. Now we will be doing question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. So here 3 minus 4 will give what? This one is plus, this one is minus. So when we this plus and minus, what we will do? We will do minus. So minus is 1, and the result will be in the bigger sign. Which is the bigger sign? The bigger sign has minus, so it will be minus 1. After that plus, again here same thing. Here it is plus, here it is minus. So plus minus is minus, so we have to do minus here. This is 1, and the result will be the bigger one. The bigger one has minus, so minus 1. So now when we open the bracket, it is minus 1, result will be minus 2. So this is the answer 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is minus 60 minus 58 and minus 2. See here, this part is not bit clear to me, so if there is something else, just put that value. Okay, this part. So this is 60, and here it will be plus, and minus will be plus, and here it will be again plus 2. So these two are together, minus 60. This one will be plus 60. So when we subtract it, it will be 0. Okay. It will be 0. So the next one now. Question number 5. 5 is 19 minus 4 minus 17. Okay, first of all we will do what this, open this inside bracket. When we open this inside bracket, it will be minus 4 minus 17. So we will be using the 3 here, the third formula, that is 4 minus 17, that will be 21, then minus 21 will be 13, plus 21, after that 34. So this is the answer. Okay, so I guess this was it for today. I'll be not doing the next question for today. So thank you everyone.